Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. If you like and enjoy our recipe, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment under the comment section below. So today's unique recipe out of the box is healthy oats baked muffins. These oats banana muffins are super moist and super soft, just like a sponge. Delicious and healthy. Let's get to the recipe and have a look onto the ingredient list. For the oats powder, I've just blended the rolled oats into a fine powder. So here I've taken 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, oil 1/3 cup, 1 tsp baking powder and 1/4 tsp baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 2 eggs, half cup of regular chocolate chips, 1½ cup of oats powder, and 4 small banana, also known as lychee banana. 1 teaspoon of salt. So now let us start by adding onto the bananas. I've taken 4 bananas. This is lychee small banana. Now you can add oil, around 1/3 cup of oil. You can also use olive oil or butter. Give it a good mix, a really good mix for around 5 minutes. See that they combine and incorporate it well and have a liquid kind of a texture. Beat them continuously and mix them well. So to this I'm adding the vanilla essence. Around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence goes in. Once you add in the vanilla essence, now you need to really give it a good mix, around 2 minutes, and incorporate it well enough. You get a smooth consistency. Now then you can add 2 eggs. I'm adding 2 eggs into it and just give it a good mix again for next 2 minutes. So we'll just keep a close eye on the consistency, not too liquidy or not too dry, just perfect enough to scoop them out. Now let us get started with the dry ingredient and mix them each one by one. Kindly add the baking soda as well as the baking powder directly to the oats powder. Then goes the cinnamon powder, around 1 tablespoon of it, and a big pinch of salt, around 1 tsp. Give them a good rough mix. Add the dry ingredients directly into the banana batter. As you keep on mixing them and combining well enough, the batter will form its consistency. So do not add any water or milk. Just keep on mixing them for good 10 minutes. Incorporate it by using the cut and fold method. So here I'm adding the choco chips, that is the chocolate chips, around 1/4 cup only. I'm saving a little for the toppings. And there it goes, one last mix, just for 2 minutes, and it's all set and all ready to pop it in to the into the preheated oven. Post 10 minutes, it's ready to go. Fill in the batter. I'm just using 1/4 cup, leveling it up to the half, not too much or not too less, so that it gets enough of space to rise and have a beautiful shape as well. Generously add or sprinkle the choco chips or the chocolate chips and bake them into a preheated oven for 180 degree around 20 minutes only. So all set to pop into the oven for around 20 minutes. Kindly adjust the oven setting temperature according to the instruction. For me, it's only 20 minutes is all I need. Guilt-free, very healthy, delicious, moist banana muffins is all set in 20 minutes. All ready? Now enjoy and do share this recipe with your friends and family. Stay connected. Thank you for watching and stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey.